feeling deep inside that you've been lying about where you've been at night. Oh, I've got a feeling, so you better learn to treat me right. I've got a fire in my soul, burning desire.
Molecular shapes begin. Linear, tetrahedral, trigonal, bipiramida. It is algebraic. Flat drawings in a book.
Seriously, the chemistry lesson today feels like the wrong class ever. It seriously dragged on for hours.
I don't think so. Maybe you guys were just passing out too much. My group was actually having a fun, you know. Time flew by. I barely noticed the bell.
Huh?
Seriously? Studying chemistry? Fun? Did you hear about it?
No, we just played a game.
Yeah, it's called Uno Stachem. It's awesome. The molecular shapes actually pop up, bro. They come alive.
Uno Stachem? Chem, Stacko, Uno, white word, come alive. What does that even mean? You're kidding, right?
No way, I'm being 100% serious. Let me show you how it works. Introducing Uno Stachem, Stacko Chemistry integrated with Augmented Reality. At its core, Uno Stachem maintains the exciting gameplay of traditional Uno Stacko, where players carefully remove blocks from a tower, and the one who collapses it loses. However, here's the educational twist. Every block a player draws contains a challenging question about molecular geometry. After answering, the player scans the corresponding information card using our augmented reality technology to confirm the answer. Correct answer earns 10 points, but there is more minus if a player cannot answer the question. Other players can throw the answer for an additional 5 points. Let's break down the core mechanics. The Uno Stachem system operates through a four-stage learning cycle. Stage 1. Cognitive stimulus. A player draws a block marked with a molecular shape symbol and faces an evaluative question. For example, predict the molecular geometry and bond angle of the water molecule, H2O. Stage 2. Visual confirmation via AR. This is the heart of our innovation. After answering, the player takes the corresponding information card and scans its unique QR code. Our augmented reality technology goes beyond displaying a static 3D model. The custom world marker-based AR system we developed is capable of rendering accurate molecular models in real time, enabling full 360-degree interactions, displaying detailed information on bond angle and electron pair repulsion, and providing comparative visualization with other molecules. The real strategic depth comes from our special action blocks. The red, yellow, green, and blue blocks follow the color sequence and contain fundamental to complex molecular shape questions. The purple block allows player to change the current color when it's impossible to safely remove the required color block. but only with the other player permission. The skip block lets a player skip the next opponent, but they must first correctly re-explain the answer to the previous question, enforcing concept reinforcement. The reverse block changes the direction of play, adding strategic variety. The draw 2 block forces the next player to draw 2 blocks, increasing the challenge. The +5 block can be claimed by any player who correctly answered a question that the previous player failed to answer, rewarding attentive learning. The material block provides instant access to summary materials, serving as a just-in-time learning aid. Every game element is engineered with solid pedagogical foundation. The progressive color sequence, from red for basic linear structure to blue for complex octahedral geometries, follow the educational principle of scaffolding, building complexity step by step. The special block system applies a balanced mix of positive and negative reinforcement to motivate and challenge. Most critically, the AR integration activates the dual coding theory, allowing the brain to process verbal information and visual imagery simultaneously, leading to optimal memory retention and deeper conceptual understanding. Ultimately, we have engineered an environment of productive struggle, a challenge calibrated to trigger critical thinking and problem solving without leading to frustration. Innovation without validation is merely speculation. Uno Stachem has undergone a comprehensive evaluation process. A remarkable score of 0.91 from subject matter expert and 0.925 from the media expert. According to ICANN's validity standard, this doesn't just mean feasible, it signifies highly valid and excellent. An overall satisfaction percentage of 86.27% from 30 grade 12 students at SMA Negeri 16 Semarang, categorized as excellent. This number speaks louder than words. Students didn't just learn, they genuinely enjoyed the learning process. Most notably, classroom observation recorded up to 73% increase in active participation compared to conventional teaching methods. Uno Stachem is not the end of the journey, but the beginning of a new paradigm. This media has proven that with the right approach, we can transform learning from a passive to an active experience, convert abstractions into tangible reality, and transmute obligations into genuine excitement. Its application extends beyond the traditional classroom. Uno Stachem holds immense potential for self-direct learning, remedial session, and tutoring programs. Prepare to welcome a new era in chemistry education. With Uno Stachem, we are not just teaching science, we are inspiring the next generations of scientists. Thank you.